what I will do to you. After this program, you will know. If you don't release Olisametu, I want to know what I will do to you. Because tonight, for delaying in the release of Olisametu, I gave you 14 days, but it's not about that. I think no, it's too long. It's too far. For delaying the release of Olisametu, I am going to give the whole world, I'm going to expose to the world a history you have been hiding for long. And I'm giving you 12 more days. If nothing is happening, then I'll release it. I don't want Nigeria to break down or to break into violence or break down of law and order. No. I want Biafra to be extricated peacefully. That's what I want. I want Biafra to go peacefully. If you insist in dragging your feet to do what is necessary, to do what is right, I've told you what to do many times, or in the release of Olisametu, what I'm about to do now is a child's play compared to what I will do to you then.